We are the people who strengthen the transportation to face unforeseen challenges. We are the people who ensure that everyone is thrilled in their adventurous journey. We are the people who create power to control the unexpected. We are the people who innovate simple solutions to achieve highly complex tasks. We are the Rucha Group, committed to craft safety and innovation for the world of automobile. The Rucha Group represents a fast-growing, value-driven organization with knowledgeable human capital. Our core values, respect, urge, confidence, honesty, and ambition sum up the name of our group. With 11 world-class manufacturing facilities and 1 R&D center spread across 5 locations in India, we have achieved an exceptional growth trajectory, clocking an annual revenue of more than $130 million in a year. We are amongst the top automotive component suppliers in India in almost every segment, including the commercial vehicle, two-wheeler, three-wheeler, as well as premium four-wheeler. Our exceptional engineering strength and competitive values provide a competitive edge to the market, keeping safety and quality intact. We strongly believe in embracing the latest technological innovation to ensure constant development. With a history of more than 25 years, we are rapidly expanding our footprint in areas of automation, robotics, and food products as well. It's a matter of pride for us to find a spot on the list of top 10 manufacturers in the country. We set out modestly in 1987 with the inception of Rucha Engineers, followed by Adesh Service Center in the year 1990. Soon in the year 1993, we ventured into mainstream manufacturing with the inception of Rohit Industries, thereby expanding our businesses into the auto ancillary and home furnishing components market. Year 1998 proved to be a milestone with the starting of a breakthrough activity in the name and style of Rucha Engineers Private Limited. We also expanded further with the establishment of Rucha Agro in 2009, which was named as Burley Field in the year 2014. To cater the new edge innovation, we technologically advanced our expertise with the DSIR approved R&D center established in 2016. Our journey since then has marked constant growth, development, and diversification into other products and services in the sector of automobile, automation, and food. Our gamut of products includes frames, transmissions, exhaust systems, engine parts, skin panels, automated guided vehicles, turnkey automation solutions, autonomous welding and pick place stations, press tools and robotic fixtures, special purpose machines, and completely natural food products. Our core capabilities are powered majorly by stamping and pressing heavy, medium and light resources, robotic welding resources, injection molding and surface coating. We process more than 60,000 tons of raw material every year. We have more than 120 press machines with capacity ranging from 30 tons to 600 tons. We manufacture more than 1.6 million two-wheeler and three-wheeler chassis per year. We have skilled human resource strength with over 3,000 direct people working together for engineering excellence. Our highly skilled engineering team is geared to provide a complete turnkey solution under one roof. Besides sheet metal stamping, we also have our in-house tool room facility capable of envisaging the design components which we conceptualize and build prototypes at go. Our state-of-the-art facilities and exclusive modeling and simulation software depict our engineering edge, making us self-reliant in new product development. We have also developed competencies in progressive toolings, hot stamping solutions, fine blanking solutions, and hot metal gas forming solutions. Our team is highly competent to deploy automation solutions in the field of assembly line setup, robotic welding projects, robotic pick and place projects, besides a plethora of turnkey automation projects. We totally rely on our competent and dedicated teams for development, execution, and deployment of all the elements necessary to meet the needs of the organization. Till date, we have provided more than 150 robotic welding cells, and the numbers are consistently on the rise. With an enthusiastic team of over 50 engineers, our R&D center is capable of delivering programs over high-tech manufacturing process development, innovative automated material handling solutions, critical components like scissor jack, brake and clutch pedal, and exhaust system are few of them. We sheltered various highly reputed certifications. All our products undergo a stringent quality inspection process in our highly equipped labs. We are highly proud business partners with our esteemed customers in India and across the globe. In recognition of our quality products and services, we are equally committed to social cause. We have been nurturing the clearly defined social objective since the inception of the group. With our customers' patronage, highly competitive edge, commitment, excellence and trust, we continue to create history. We, the Rucha Group, looks forward to a long-term association with you. We are Ruchaites, committed for engineering excellence.